Let me let y'all hear that whine too. Hit that whine. Hey man, hold up.
I say welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but picture me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but picture me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome.
44 gang, what is happening, man? It's your boy HEMINDARY 44 back with another video. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen this review from me, but any review, but you know, we've been having other videos. We've been bringing more fire content so we can do other things than excuse me, I am sick, other things than just reviews. But today we got another review for y'all. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you be notified every single time I post. Make sure you hit that like button, share the videos, like the content, all that good stuff, man. Let's keep it going. Let's keep moving and grooving and going up the whole 2019, baby. You know what I mean. But hey, we finna get straight to the review. Got somebody special doing this review with me. My boy right here. He ain't got nothing. Oh yeah, you got a Facebook, huh?
Yeah, but we're gonna wait on that IG though.
Oh, we're gonna wait on the IG. All right. Y'all know it's the one that drive the real Bruce Wayne thing, the Batmobile. Well, the two Batmobiles. You know, he had the gray one, now he got the white SRT. But we're finna jump right into this review right here. First off, look at the nostrils on that thing. Tell me that don't look like me. Hey man, that's something me and this thing got in common, bro. We got them big nostrils, man. This thing is functional too. Look at her. You can see through there. You can see the intake right through there, man. If you look through there. But we're gonna make this review quick, man. Y'all know I done reviewed plenty of these. But appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, he didn't say nice truck, he said nice car.
He better not say nice truck.
Why?
Bro, but it ain't nice. This is real cute what you drive.
What? Excuse me?
This is cute. That's right, it's nice. You already said nice, this is nice.
So what's that?
That's positive.
Oh, goddamn. Well, anyway, we're gonna get back to our review, because that right there ain't worth being in my camera right now, brother. When I got this right here. You know what I mean?
What you got?
Excuse me?
What you got?
Excuse me.
What you got, brother, is what I'm asking.
Brother, a 4-year-old know what this is.
Oh?
A 4-year-old can't tell you what type of truck that is, brother.
4 minutes, this minutes. What that mean?
That means everybody in the world know what a Hellcat is. But everybody don't know what that is.
I know, everybody in the hood know.
Everybody in the world.
Everybody
in the world, Craig.
In the world. Know what this is?
Yeah, they know what this is.
What is it?
It's a Hellcat, brother.
A what?
It's a Hellcat.
I'll blow the damn bag off.
Excuse me?
Huh?
What'd you say?
You heard what I said? I ain't gonna say it in Spanish. I'll blow the bag off.
Hey man, mine's tripping, man. Tell them to get over there to that 4x4.
Let me tell you something. That thing right there, I would kick yo. Hey, okay, off the line.
Being real disrespectful, brother. You're being real disrespectful.
Off the line, I get you.
I don't think I like how you disrespecting this car right here.
It's nice.
It's what?
It's nice.
This is HEMINDARY, brother. Say it with me. HEMINDARY.
That's a vet.
Say it with me,
my
brother.
dad.
Say it with me, brother.
Say what?
Hemindary.
Hemindary.
Hemindary. Yeah. But hey, man, y'all see what this is, man. Hey, this is not a red eye.
Explain it to her, brother. Right after the hood. This your car.
Hey, brother.
Red eye hood.
Hey, brother. You need to get to your review, brother. Cause you done brought some weird energy over here to this Hellcat, brother. Hey, this is not a red eye, man. If y'all don't know, you can order the hood when you build your car. You can order this hood on there, or you can just have the hood ordered on if they got one. You can tell them you want this hood on here. So this is what happened with this one. That's why this hood on here. Of course, this is functional right here, and this one is not. This side is not. There's some weird things going on with this Hellcat too. I don't know, man. Some weird things going on with this. This should be functional on both sides to me. You know, it should be functional on both sides. It's top of the line. It shouldn't have nothing the same as a scat pack. You know what I mean? And scat packs come like that too. With the functional part over here, functional part none over there. Some of them come like that anyway. But anyway, let's walk around here. Big Brembo 6 pistons on their Pirelli tires, which suck. I ain't gonna lie to you, them things are terrible. But they are 275s right here with the same Pirelli tires, which is terrible. See this thing all blacked out. All blacked out. They put tags on there for me so I can drive it. You know what I mean? So, boom. 6 pistons, you know, I would, right? You know, Hellcat, like I said, it's not a red eye. If it was a red eye, I would have had the red eye in there, right in there. Sunroof here. Of course, it got the Laguna premium leather. Come on now, y'all know. Y'all see, man. We're gonna make this review quick.
What you think, brother?
We're gonna make this real quick. What about what?
Like, what? Charge or challenge? Which one? Okay.
Charger.
Charger. Why you say that?
I don't know. I just like the Charger better.
You feel like that look more aggressive, or that kind of
Nah, this right here, this hood look more aggressive. Yeah, this hood make it look more aggressive than anything.
But what about the Charger that had them lean moves?
They look aggressive, but this right here look real aggressive.
They do. I ain't gonna lie. I don't lie to you.
They look real aggressive. Real aggressive.
But you still pick a Charger.
I pick Charger, brother.
All day long.
All day. All day, every day.
Pick over this?
Huh?
You know what I pick over this?
What?
This big thing. This big cornbread.
Man, y'all drop in the comments. What would y'all buy? Would y'all buy this if you had the money? Would you buy this? Or would you buy that? Or would you buy that? Or would you buy this? Or would you buy this? Or would you buy that? Or would you buy that? Or would you buy this?
But they gonna buy a Hellcat because I buy a Hellcat.
Exactly. Exactly. My point exactly. But yeah, I showed y'all the inside and all that, man. Let the seat back. Nice little room back there. This is a nice room for a coupe, though, for a two-door car, man. Very nice room. This is one of the newer model coupes, like two-door sport car that you can actually fit 4 people in. Like you can fit 4 grown people back there. But yeah, let's go and pop this. SRT mats in the back for y'all that thought they wasn't in there. You know what I mean? Boom. Boom. Y'all see that thing right there on that trunk. But yeah, man, we're gonna pop the hood right quick. I'm gonna show y'all that, then we're gonna go and get in this thing. Hey, come on now. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Supercharged on that thing. Boom. Boom. I'm trying to finish this review, bro. We gotta go. We gotta go.
The intake is bigger than the like the 20.
He had this car made. Whoever bought it, he had this car made. I forgot to show y'all the 5. Got the 5 stars on there, of course. Yeah, man, we gonna go. Oh yeah, that's functional. Well, that's for the for boom. You know what I mean? So that's it right down on there. Get that breathing room right through there, like I said once before. But yeah, we're gonna go and drive this thing. So man, we're finna go on and drive it. Before we do that, man, I'm slipping. I forgot to give y'all the exhaust. Go get that for me, brother. Let my boy JD right here do the honors, man. Yeah. We gonna start that thing up. Whoa. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sheesh. That thing sound retarded. Let me let y'all hear that whine too. Hit that whine. Whoa. 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 Hey man, hold up. So 44 gang, man, this driving part of this is gonna go a lot different from what it normally do. For the simple fact, I am in a brand new 2019 Hellcat, as y'all know I already got my boy JD right here. Y'all know it's the one drive back that real Bruce Wayne thing. But man, they done look 5 miles already. They done put me on a strict limit, man, in this car. I can't put more than 10 miles. I can't put more than 5 miles on it. I already got 5 miles on it. Can't put more than 5 miles. Then on top of that, I can't go over the speed limit, man. So, which I done reviewed plenty of Hellcats, so y'all already know how they drive. If you want to know how they drive, go back. But you know, I'm gonna give y'all, of course, I'm gonna give y'all probably 1 or 2 quick little pulls, which one gonna be right now. Okay, 72 miles now, you know. They say don't go over the speed limit, so you know, that's why we able to. That's why we got good relationship with dealerships. We try to do what they ask. You know what I mean? So we try to do what they ask. So I ain't gonna go over the speed limit, but I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. My brother tap that gas. Brother tap that gas. How much this thing cost, brother?
71,000.
71,000, and that ain't bad at all. I don't think that ain't bad. Not 71,000. Let me fix this right here. First of all, why I ain't got this roof open? I am tripping.
Got AC on. Oh yeah,
I'm tripping. Nah, I'm turn that out. I'm gonna let these windows down. So y'all go. Oh, don't let that go. Whoa. What? We can't lose nothing out of here. Where it go? It's still back there. We can't lose nothing out of here. But yeah, man, this thing is quick. Let's downshift this thing to, we're going 50. We're going downshift to 3rd gear. See what it is. Woo-wee. Say, man. Hey, man. This is what I don't understand about this Hellcat. And the person that ordered it, if you still happen to see this video, please tell me why you ordered the Alpine sound system in the Hellcat. I've never seen the Alpine in here, ever in my life. They got Alpine sound system in here. I tried to turn the radio up and I was like, nah, this don't sound like Harman Kardon. So this, I've never seen that in the Hellcat. Never. I ain't never seen Beats. I always seen Harman Kardon. So this is a first for me. So if you, this is the Hellcat at Waxahachie Metroplex, whatever one it is. Brother, if this is your car, if you see this and this is your car, please comment down below and let me know why you ordered the Alpine. Because if it's for a reason where you in the sound systems and you just gonna take it out and change it yourself, I completely understand. Other than that, I don't understand the reason. Batman. I don't understand the reason for getting the Alpine in here and not the Harman Kardon. Never heard of it. But we're waiting at the light. I got it in track mode right now. 717 horses. So y'all get this full understanding. Let me show y'all. 717 horses. And I got it on track mode. And it is not 2 p.m. people. It is not 2 a.m. I don't know what that time is doing. Oh, that. Oh, I was gonna say, it's one of the 2 red keys. Dude got the red keys on deck. Matter of fact, we got all 3 keys on deck. You know what I mean? So yeah, we got the whole 717. What time is it?
7:50.
Bro, they close at 8. We gotta hear them get back to the dealership.
They ain't closed out there.
I think nah, they ain't closing without this car. They ain't closing without this car. We gotta hear him get back. I think I'm gonna pull up to that dealership, bro, with exactly 10 miles on this car. I just got that feeling. Oh, baby, I got the feeling. God dang. Boy, that is crazy. You can definitely tell the difference between that 717 and that 707. I ain't lying to you. Miles, I heard Miles in that truck. Man, you can definitely tell the difference, man. That's crazy. That car picked up quick. 200 on the dash, baby. Quit playing with me. Hey, whoa, I'm sliding. Boy, y'all heard that whine? Y'all heard that whine, man? Come on, man. Y'all heard that whine on that thing? Woo. Say, man, this is crazy. You can definitely tell the difference. I'm not lying to you. I am not lying. I'm gonna give y'all that wine one more time, man. Give y'all that wine one more time. Oh my God. Say, bro, this is crazy. Oh, do I go this way?
I don't know.
God.
Nah.
Dang, I think I was supposed to go that way, bro.
I don't know.
I think I went the wrong way. Man, say, this car is crazy, man. Make sure y'all ain't getting no. Make sure y'all ain't getting no wind on. Let me let this up just in case. I'm at 8 miles, man. I think I went the wrong way. I'm finna be in trouble. God, boy, I know y'all heard that whine, man. That is crazy. That is crazy. Bro, I think I went the wrong way, bro. Crazy. Insane. That is crazy. That is crazy fast right there. Like, bro, you can definitely tell the difference. I'm not lying to you. You can definitely tell the difference that this is 717, not 707. Definitely. Oh, we good. Oh, I'm at 9 miles, bro. I'm at 9 miles, man. Let's see if I can get it back to 10. Do I go right? No, I go right here. Man, I think I go right here. Whoa. Man. Hey, bro. This car is insane, man. Y'all got to get y'all one of these. 2019 Hellcat. That's why it's 717. This is not the red eye. Y'all know the red eye, of course, is more than this. It's 797 horsepower. But this right here is more than enough. I wish I really could have just got down on it for y'all, man. But when I come across another Hellcat or red eye, I'm gonna review that one. And hopefully that one won't be somebody's car. Hopefully that one won't be somebody's car, so I can really drive and give y'all that full effect, that full feel. But this was the best I can do today. Like I say, man, I respect what they asked me to do and not to do. You know what I mean? So they didn't want me to go over a certain amount of miles. I'm pulling up to the dealership now. It got 9 miles on it. They didn't want me to go the speed limit. The fastest I went was 72. So speed limit is like 75, 72. So
my car cut off.
Did it?
I don't see the lights.
It probably didn't cut off, bro. It probably didn't.
Oh, it did.
Bro, what if I bag up and it go over 10 miles and it hit 10? I'm gonna be mad, bro.
Because I was pushing.
Well, if it pop back on and it said 10 miles. Hey, back up camera. I still know I worked that, man. Oh, where we at? 9 miles, baby. I did good. 9 miles. So, man, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. That's it for this one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, man. We're going up the whole 2019. Y'all know it. We're going to keep going and growing, moving and grooving. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know how I end all my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy, man. I'm out.